Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can deposit money on Cash App card from ATM. So if you're interested, let's jump right in. Let's start with the Cash App. First, open the app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, tap the icon on the far left. This takes you to your home screen. At the top, you'll see your cash balance. Tap on that and then select Add Cash. Here, you'll find preset amounts like $10, $25, $50, $100, or $200. If you want to add a custom amount, just tap on the three dots. For example, if you want to add $12, simply type it in and then tap the Add button at the bottom. At this point, Cash App will ask you to link a bank account or debit card. Just enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, the three-digit code, and your zip code. Once your card is linked, the amount you selected will be transferred to your Cash App balance. Now let's talk about using an ATM. So you cannot directly deposit physical cash into your Cash App card at a standard ATM. Most ATMs don't support this feature for Cash App cards. However, here's what you can do. Deposit your cash into a traditional bank account using an ATM that supports cash deposits. Once the money is in